Why does your scanner show the P2111 engine code? What does it mean? P2111 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator control system stuck open. It indicates a problem with the throttle actuator control system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Dirty throttle body, faulty throttle position sensor, defective throttle actuator motor, damaged wiring or connectors, faulty ECU programming. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Lexus, Nissan, Honda, Chevrolet, GMC, Toyota, and Acura. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.